Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing my review finally on Triochrome. Can you guess? I mean, look at my eyes, they're like fluorescent blue. You guys know my favorite color. But anyways, yeah, so I picked up Triochrome. This is the mini Triochrome. I told you I would get it for you guys, even though I am not a huge fan of blue. And so I did pick it up. Before we get into this whole review and swatch and everything, I do want to give you guys the 411, the little T ahead of everybody else. There's going to be a huge Natasha Denona giveaway on the channel. I am giving away one of her brand new releases, an amazing palette. I mean, I don't want to like give away the big announcement, but I am going to be giving away, yes, that palette. So there's going to be a big I Need a Nude giveaway coming from Natasha Denona. Also a big box of makeup, like a lot of stuff. And that is going to be a huge giveaway on the channel to hit 20,000 subscribers. That is my goal, to hit 20,000 subscribers. So if you have a friend of a friend of a friend, or anybody that you know loves makeup, start sharing this channel with them. I kind of want to grow. So help me out. Let's grow together. And I'm going to do this giveaway. I'm going to have another one in November and another one in December. Just a thank you for sticking around with me for the past few years. And also, let's get to 20K. I think that would be a really fun number to hit. But anyways, so that's what we're gonna do. So that giveaway is coming next, but also follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna be announcing the winner on Instagram, only because I'm verified on Instagram. So if I DM you that you won, it's obviously me because it's verified. But anyways, that's just a 411. That is going to be in the next video that's coming, but already start getting ready and get ready for that video. But this video is about Triochrome, so let's go ahead and let's dive right into it. So this is the mini Triochrome. This is her brand new release. It's $27 US. It's this teeny tiny palette. You guys know Natasha Denona has her babies, her minis, her middies, her larger palettes. Like she's like really going out there and doing like every size in the world. But this is basically a version of her larger palette, which is called the Triochrome. So this is the Triochrome. This is the original palette that released. It has these Triochrome shades. You guys see them? They're like shifty shades in the center. So she released this palette, I want to say it was 2 years ago during holiday. Could be wrong, but I think it was. And then now she decided to release the mini version of it. And what she described was that in this palette, her idea was to have all of the different colors, like a green row, a purple row, and then a neutral row. And then this would be the extension of the blue row, which is interesting. Is there going to be any more rows? I don't know. But yeah, this is the blue row extension of the Triochrome. And I already used it on my eyes. I'm gonna give you guys some details about the formula and everything coming, but let's swatch it really quickly together. I know you guys love to see the swatches. So we've got this first shade right here, which is kind of fantastic. Then we've got, look at that Triochrome. It shifts to like a purple. It's really, really neat. Then there's this one, which is a dark, rich, almost like a navy. And then there's the powdery blue, which looks just like that. It's a nice powdery blue, but it's not like a light blue that like gets like ugly on the eyes. And then there's this metallic, which is kind of like a silver with a hint of blue. Very pretty metallic. I actually really, really like that metallic color. I think it's like kind of perfect, to be honest, because she could have given us something a little too white, and I think that would have like thrown off the looks. In the palette there is 3 mattes. So this one, and this one, these are mattes. Then there's Triochrome, which is a shifty shade, and then there's a metallic. So those are the formulas in here, but I think she did a great job with picking colors. So these are the swatches. This is what it looks like. This is the mini Triochrome. Actually a pretty nice array of colors. I'm happy about this one. Pretty good difference in definition between the colors in this mini. However, it is all blue. Okay, so you are getting a blue lid, and I feel like there's not going to be too many different looks that you can do. I do see a few. I think we can go on the softer blue side. We can go really, really crazy with the blue, or we can do a little bit more dyed down. I will be doing a 5-day challenge to challenge myself, because that is going to be a challenge because I don't love blue on the lids. So that's going to be fun. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. And let's go ahead and get into the quick little tutorial where I'll show you guys me playing with the palette. And then at the end, okay, I've got the package. I'm literally opening this for the first time with you guys. Everybody else is probably doing something really fun tonight, and I'm doing something fun too. So I've got two goodies here. One of them I'll be filming another video for. It's another palette. You guys are gonna be seeing this little baby. So I would be playing with the baby bronze in an upcoming video. So that's not today. Today is mini Triochrome. So let's see what she looks like. Let's hope she's not broken. Is she broken? No, this is the case. I wouldn't know yet. So this is what she looks like. My favorite colors of blue. Well, let's look at her. I'm very excited, actually. I don't know, I think it's just been a minute since I've gotten a palette. Ooh. Oh, and she's not broken, and she's very pretty. In person, she's really, really cute. She is definitely blue. Oof, is she blue? All right. So what do you guys think? Let's put some blue on the lids. Let's see what we can come up with. I think we're gonna do something smoky. I'm both excited and kind of like nervous at the same time. I don't know what to do. This is so pretty, like when it's not swatched and it's like brand new. They look so gorgeous. What do I do? All right, let's start off with this powdery blue color right here that's giving me anxiety just staring at it. It's so powdery blue. I still have mascara and a little bit of eyeliner on. Oh my God. Okay, so, actually it's not as bad as I thought, because I just have this thing with like blue eyeshadow that I always think it's gonna look like fluorescent and I'm gonna like freak out, but actually this is kind of like a muted blue. I couldn't even do a Make Up Your Mind. This stuff came out way too fast. Like literally it's at my house before I could even like look for it in my collection. The thing with blue too is like, oh my God, the fallout with blue. You get like blue under eyes. You gotta make sure you have concealer to fix that up. So like also with blue, I always get scared that I'm gonna end up looking like if somebody punched my eye and I'm like hurting like really bad. All right, let's get the deeper blue. This one here. Let's kind of put that on the outer V. I'm gonna use all the colors today. So just so you guys know, I'm gonna definitely look like I've got a lot of blue in my eyes because we are going to test this palette and I need to use all the shades. Now this, wow, okay, so that's a really good blue. So yeah, it's vibrant and yeah, it's like something I probably wouldn't reach for, but look at the pigmentation on that. Actually, I love the way it's picking up on the camera. In person, it even looks more dulled out, but on the camera, it looks fabulous. So we're just gonna do like an outer V smoke. I'd be really creative here. It's like my typical eye look. But I don't want to like go too ham, only because I'm going to use every color. So I don't want to look like a peacock. Should I look like a peacock? Maybe I should have done a Halloween look. Oh my God, maybe I'll be a Halloween peacock. Actually, I already picked my Halloween costume. I don't think I'm very original because I'm doing something I already did a few years back. But it was my daughter requested that I do this. So I'll show you guys my costume when it's time. I'll do some type of fun makeup for it. I mean, I have to say it's a very pretty blue. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with the lighter blue, but look at the fallout. You guys see the fallout already? Okay, let's grab the Triochrome, the only Triochrome in the mini Triochrome. And this is what it looks like. Oof, that is pretty, okay? So I honestly think this is the shade for the palette. I'm telling you, if you're gonna be a peacock this year for Halloween, like, I mean, I don't know how many people are going to be a peacock. Are you going to be a fairy? This is really cool palette for that because this Triochrome, this blue is gorgeous. All I'm thinking now is how can I use this Triochrome for Halloween? And I actually think I could. It actually shifts to like a purple. That's really pretty. Okay, I like that one. Okay, so let's grab this. This is just going to be a metallic. She did say that it was a metallic. She didn't act like it was going to be any shifty shade or anything like that. So I'm just going to put that in the inner portion. My camera's having fun not focusing today, huh? I've been having like these thoughts of wanting to get like a new camera. I already have a new camera, but I want another new camera. I mean, my camera's new. I want an even more advanced one. So if you guys know like advanced camera, let me know. Okay. I usually don't like blue, but this is kind of cool. Okay, I'm gonna grab the dark one. Actually, you know what? No, let's just put this light one. Let's put this neon blue on the water line. Oh my God, if you guys see the fallout though that I have in my under eye. I mean, I don't expect not to have fallout because this is like a, you know, blue palette, but holy cannolis, do I have fallout. This is really cool though. And then let's grab some of the dark blue and just add it to that outer V one more time. And then let's grab the light blue and let's just like blend everything with this light blue. And then I want to add a little bit of the light blue, like that metallic-y light blue. I'm going to grab this one, the metallic-y light blue. And I want to add it in the inner portion, like right there, like that. That's so pretty. All right. Liner, mascara, lipstick, and give me 1 second. I'll give you guys the final look. All right, guys, and here we go. Final look. What do you think? Holy cannolis. Wow. I mean, I'm pretty impressed. I finished off the eyes with Natasha Denona's purple eyeliner because I figured if the shift went to purple, why not? Rare Beauty mascara. My lips are from Valentino, and it is the color 100R. I'll have it listed down below. And what else did I do? KVD eyeliner on the top, and that's it. This is the look. I'm obsessed with these eyes. Like, they look so cool. But anyways, final thoughts. Here we go. All right, guys, so here we go. Final thoughts on this palette. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is really strange, and this is very hard for me to say because you guys know I'm like, I hate blue. Like, I really don't like blue on the lids. And God, I'm like really struggling here because the quality is really good. I mean, I feel like I did not struggle at all with this blue. This like darker blue blended fantastic. I mean, look at that outer V smoke that I did. I actually think that this Triochrome right here is really, really something else. I mean, is it like extreme shift? It's not like extreme, but it's so pretty. Like, I love the blue to purple. Like, I just think it's kind of dainty. I don't know. It's just really pretty. And I do like also this metallic. It's kind of like a bluish, like icy kind of metallic. It almost goes like a silvery blue. It's also really pretty. The powdery blue is not like one that goes on and then it gets like neon bluish. So I like that too. It's softer. This neon, like super, super, super blue is the only one that, like, to me, like, I'm like, how am I gonna use that? I do feel like it could make a really cool, like, statement eye, like, now for the fall, like, maybe as an eyeliner, you know. Here's the thing. I think that this is a really good quality palette. I think that the color variation was actually really, really nice. Even though it is all blues, it did a really good job. Like, I think I did a really pretty eye look. Now, here's the thing, it depends. You wear these kind of colors, so this is going to be totally like preferential to your style. I would say this is definitely not an eye look that I would typically wear. Like, it's just not me, but it does look fantastic, and I could play with versions of this eye look, maybe a little bit more dyed down to go out, but like, would I wear this every day? No. Would this be like an on occasion kind of palette for me? Sure. I do think that if you do love color and you love blue, this is gorge for that. Like, I think you're gonna love it because the quality is really, really up there and top notch. But, you know, it just depends. It depends. I do think that if I do a 5-day challenge with this, it's going to be a struggle bust for me, especially like to do day looks, because I'm looking at this going, how would I wear this during the day? Because I really just don't like blue on its own on the lid. Like, that's gonna be really hard. I might just do it just to like struggle. Love the Triochrome in here, and the mattes are really good. So it's definitely a good palette. It's definitely quality. It's just, do you like this? I mean, I don't love blue. So I mean, like, no matter how great the quality is, it's really would be really hard for me to go out wearing blue all the time. So like, maybe on occasion, it's cool to have a really nice quality palette to give me those blues, but yeah, that's about it. I want to know from you guys, if you picked up this palette, do you love it? And what are your comments? Leave your comments for your friends down below. If I left anything out and you want to let them know, say it down below. And don't forget to hit subscribe, because that big O giveaway is coming. You're going to hear it very, very soon. You guys got the 411. You got the tea before everybody else. So start getting on the bandwagon and hitting that subscribe button and telling your friends, because this is going to be a really fun till the end of the year on the channel. So thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for Baby Bronze. I was gonna call it the Baby Glam. I don't know why. Baby Bronze is coming next, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.